What's up? The guitar licks that you just seen is an intro of the song Thank You for Loving Me by John Bon Jovi. That's how I played it through a guitar. But to give a caveat, this video is suitable for beginners and amateur in terms of playing guitar like myself. Right, so yung intro ay may apat na chords: D, G, B minor, and A, or A sustained and A. First part, which is the keyboard part, marinig nyo sa kanta keyboard yon, pero kung kukunin mo sa gitara, ito ko siya kinuha sa 3rd string 7th fret, 2nd string 5th fret, 2nd string 7th fret, 2nd string 5th fret again, balik, 3rd string 7th fret, 3rd string 2nd fret, 6th string 3rd fret, open 3rd string 2nd string 3rd fret. So pag binuo mo, so while you are at G, naka-open yung 3rd string, nasa 3rd fret yung 2nd string, pick mo siya alternately twice. For the second part, dating pattern or nota, tapos magkakaiba lang dun sa pagkatapos ng 2nd fret, 3rd string. Ang susunod mo dito is open 1st string, hammer sa 2nd fret. Then 5th string, open. Pagkatapos ng 5th open string, 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, 3rd string 2nd fret ulit, 2nd string 2nd fret. Buong second part. Tapos yung third part is balik sa pattern. Doon na papasok yung electric guitar, yung nagbe-bending. Pero again, yung unang bahagi ng mga parts like 7 fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, 2nd string, and 5th fret, 7th string. This is actually a keyboard. Pero linay mo sa gitara, ito yung nota niya. Yung pattern na yun, 3rd 7th, 2nd 5th, 2nd 7th, 2nd 5th, and then 3rd 7th, balik. Dito na papasok yung electric guitar. Sa 10th fret, 2nd string, full bend mo lang. Balik. Then, 3rd string, 9th fret, hammer sa 11th. Then, slide sa 9th. Then, 4th string sa 9th, slide sa 12th. Tapos yung next part, dating pattern, bend ulit, 2nd string, 9th fret, 9th fret, 3rd string, hammer to 11, then 9, slide sa 7, then slide ulit sa 9, tapos 2 picks sa 4th string, 7th fret. So, yung complete picking niya is, bagalan lang natin. Yun, tapos papasok na yung verse. It's hard for me. All I've got to give to you. Sa sunod na yun, hindi ko makuhang kanta dun sa part na yun. Diba, di marunong kumanta talaga. O, yan lang. Dali lang naman. Kasi, pinakasimple lang. Yung pinaka main notes lang ata ang kinuha ko. So, nasa inyo na lang kung paano nyo i-perfect. Hindi perfect yun. By ear ko lang pinag-aralan. Hindi na ako nagtingin ng tabs kasi hindi naman ako marunong, nahirapan ako magbasa lalo nun.